Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing well. As for me, I am doing great. In today's video, I'm about to do these nails, I don't know what to call it, but it came out so pretty. It's a neon color. It's not my color though. When my sister came, she said she wanted to do these nails. I said, are you sure? She said yes. So I did the nails for her and it came out so well, okay? And it's my first time drawing a fire flame. So you guys are going to see it at the end of the video. So I already pushed back the cuticle areas of the nails. Now I'm cutting the cuticle areas, the cuticles that I pushed back, okay? The cuticle is the dead skin of the nails. Yeah. So I'm pushing it back. I already pushed it back. I cut it and now I'm going in with my sanding band. I'm just going to use it to take out the shine from the nails so that when I apply the tip, it sticks on it really fast. So that's my cuticle drip bit. I'm just going to use it to walk around the cuticle areas of the nails. Okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it's... So guys, that's the nails I'm going to be using. I got these nails on Amazon. So I'm just going to, and that's my Makartt nail glue. I'm just going to apply it on our nails, okay? This glue is really good. I recommend it. And these nails is very short. This is the shortest nails I have ever done on my channel. But it came out well though. It came out so beautiful because I believe not everybody likes to do long nails. So I cut the nails to a desired length. I shaped the front of the nails and now I'm just using my sanding band to take out the shine from the first nails. So now I'm gonna go with my Mia Secret nail primer and extra bond. I'll apply both on the nails and then I'll apply my base coat. Guys, whenever you apply your both primers, do not cure it, okay? We don't cure primer, we only cure base coat and then we cure our polygels, okay? So I'm just gonna apply it on all the nails. That's my base coat. I'm gonna apply my base coat. Base coat is for the base, okay? That's how I always explain it. Base coat is for the base. Is the base, like it's a foundation, like you're building a house. So base coat is the base for your polygel. So that's my Makartt polygel. It came in pack of 6, but I just picked out one from it. I did a review already and I use it on my sister, the blue nail video on my channel. You can actually go see that video. It was nice and it's growing. The views is really growing. So I'm just gonna apply it on the nails and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds.
Way back a year ago.
Let's give a warm welcome to our new subscribers. You guys are welcome to this family. You are welcome to the channel, okay? Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate you guys a lot. In this channel, we do polygel, we do review, and we unbox products, okay? Please guys, if you have any questions, you don't understand my video, put it down in the comment section. I will definitely get back to you, okay? Please, when you watch my video, always like, share and comment. Those are really important so that I'll know if I'm doing a great job or if my content is making sense, okay? And also, I will give you guys a warm welcome to our old subscribers. You guys are the best, the OGs on this channel. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for always liking my videos. Thank you for commenting on my videos. I appreciate you guys a lot. Please keep sharing so that we'll keep growing for the betterment of this channel. So now I'm applying the second layer to the nails. After applying the second layer, I will also cure it for 60 seconds.
Way back a year ago.
So guys, I'm gonna go with my clear polygel. After, I'll apply it on the nails and I'll cure it for 60 seconds. All my stuff are gonna be in the description box. All the product that I use are gonna be in the description box. All you need to is to click on the link in the description box and it's gonna take you directly to the website that I got it from. I usually get all my stuff on Amazon. So I'm using my sleep solution to clean the surface of the nails. If you don't have sleep solution, you are welcome to use rubbing alcohol. They work the same. Whenever I'm building my polygel, I use my rubbing alcohol. When I'm cleaning, I can also use my rubbing alcohol or my sleep solution, because when you buy polygel, the sleep solution is really small, so rubbing alcohol do the job. Okay, that's my Makartt nail file, which is also from Amazon. I'm going to use it to file the nails, file both sides of the nails just to have the perfect shape, and also file the surface of the nails.
Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in.
So now I'm gonna go with my cuticle drill bit. I'm just gonna use it to walk around the cuticle areas of all the nails. Guys, if there is any noise, I am sorry. My window is right across the street and these cars are moving. I am tired. I can't do my voiceover because of the noise outside my street. Okay, my window is just right across the street. I am sorry. I am so sorry. So that's my info. I'm just gonna use it to file the surface of the nails just to get the perfect shape that I want for the nails.
Magic, believe change. Been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
So guys, I'm gonna go with my sanding band. I'm just gonna use it to file the surface of all the nails.
I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot.
So after using my sanding bands to file the surface of the nails, I went in with my buffer to buff the nails so that when I apply my top coat, I have a perfect finishing. Okay, so that's my matte top coat. I'm gonna draw a nice design. It's a pink French tip, and then I'll draw a fire frame. Okay, you guys, it was so easy. The tip was easy, but the frame, the fire was not easy. Guys, this is I can't do this anymore. This fire is really hard, but trust me, with couple of tries and all of that, I was able to get it. It's not perfect, but I tried. You can see me cleaning off some mistakes, but at the end of it, it was worth it. Okay, so you guys should relax, just watch how I got this fire frame done.
I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Magic, believe change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Magic, believe change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year.
So guys, for the ring finger, I just did a little V French tip, and it was just nice and perfect for the shape.
I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were.
So guys, I'm going to apply my top coat on all the nails, and then I'll cure them for 60 seconds.
Where it stays, way back a year ago. Magic, believe change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
So guys, we added this butterfly. I got this butterfly from it's a 3D butterfly, and I got it from Shein. So that's my Modelones gel. I'm just going to apply it on the index finger, and then when I apply it, I'll cure it for 60 seconds.
I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
So guys, after applying my top coat on all the nails, I cured it for 60 seconds. And now I'm applying my cuticle oil that I got from Shein. I'm going to apply it on all the nails just to take out the ashiness from the nails. So this is the beautiful look of these nails. These nails came out so pretty. Cameras does not really do the job. It came out so well. I loved it. Okay, please, if you understood this tutorial and you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button, like, comment, turn on post notification bell, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push on my